What's up and good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So today is a day to get things done. About 70 degrees upstate New York today, and I'm going to be starting the process of ceramic coating the wheels. So I've got them out here. I've already cleaned them again after I just took them out of the shed. So I've just cleaned them. What I used for that was the Adams Polish car shampoo, obviously the bucket, and then the car wash sponge or mop that came with it. So actually really like this. Really soft, really sudsy. Can't tell from right now because it's been sitting for about an hour or so, but that's what I used to clean the wheels. So with that being said, I'm sure everyone has their way to prep or get their wheels ready for ceramic coating or even their vehicle, but this is what I'm gonna do based upon the time I have and just the information that I've read. So it's basically wash, clay bar, polish, prep, ceramic coat. I've washed. Next thing is the clay bar. So I have the Adams Polish's clay bar that I got, you saw 2 episodes ago. I'm going to be using some of these products today. I'm going to be using the detail spray as a lubricant and the clay bar as, you know, whatever, to remove the contaminants. So I'm going to be using the detail spray as the lubricant, and I'm going to be using the clay bar to remove any contaminants. So gotta be honest with you guys, I don't think there are as many contaminants on these wheels as you might think. So I got them brand new at the end of last year, and I only really had them on for a month or two. So they're actually pretty clean. You know, I don't really see too many imperfections in the gloss or the finish, but you wanna know what? Since they're this good looking right now, might as well get a coat of ceramic on them and just get them looking flawlessly before I put them back on, because my goal is to have them put back on before the end of the month. After I get them clay barred, the next step is to polish. I don't have a polisher, so I'm going to be hand polishing them. I ordered this. This didn't come with the Adams Polish car cleaning kit, but this is something that I looked into, called them on the phone, and they kind of just recommended the Revive hand polish. So I'm going to be using this to apply, and then after that I'm actually going to open up the ceramic coating kit, read the directions, and then see how I'm going to proceeding from there. So the next step is clay bar. I don't know if I'm going to bore you guys. I might actually probably just do a little time-lapse video for you guys, but I'm going to be clay barring these, and that's what we're going to be doing next. So front's done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this wheel around and do the back of it. Then I'm just gonna clean it off with a microfiber towel, and then I'm gonna repeat on the next 3 wheels. Okay, so we did pick up quite a bit of dirt or contaminants on the back of the wheel, and I probably would expect that because I don't clean it as much. It's close to the rotors. Brake dust and everything else can get impacted on the back and hard to get out. So this is kind of shocking. so what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna clean this with a terry cloth, and then I'm gonna do the 3 remaining rims with the same clay bar. I'm gonna fold the clay bar over, use a clean spot, and then once I finish clay barring, we'll catch up and we'll take a look and see how everything looks before we move on to the next step. So I'm gonna get that done, and I'll be with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so just finished. This is how dirty the clay bar got. So you can see here. So pretty dirty. I'm not sure if this is from more or less the wheels themselves or when I was hitting the rubber and pulling dirt off the rubber, but you can see that there's some material in here. And you know, for what it's worth, to take the the 20 minutes that's been recording and a learning experience with clay bar, because this needs to get clay barred and detailed next, not today. So I'm gonna put this away, kind of put it back into a block like how I found it. And I'm going to find out what we're going to be doing for the polishing step. I should be able to get that accomplished next. After the polishing step, it should be, well, we'll be onto the ceramic coating. So let's get through the polishing first. Just did a little bit of research and reading and doing some YouTubing on my own. So what we're going to be doing now is doing the Revive hand polish on the wheels. I just want to bring out the shine, get rid of some minor swirls that I've noticed in the wheels. So this is what I'm going to be doing next. This is the Adams Polish Revive hand polish. Is an ultimate fine paint cleanser and shine enhancer. It is formulated to remove traces of old wax, mild oxidation, minor swirl marks, and even reduce the appearance of light surface scratches. So this is what I'm going to be using. Again, these wheels are pretty new. Just clay barred them, gonna polish them now, and then I'm gonna read the ceramic coat instructions because I know there's some curing time. So I'm trying to get this done now. This might take some time. Probably not going to take you through all of it to get through all 4 wheels. So I'm going to do this right now. I'll catch you guys when I'm finished doing this, and we'll see how they look. So see you guys. All right, everybody, we just finished the polishing process. I'm not so sure how well I did, but it is what it is. So now we're going to move on to the ceramic coating. Drogo, do you want to be on the vlog? Come here, buddy. Sit. Behave for all the people. Sit. Paw. Nope. Paw. Nope. Oh, you bumped it.
Good job, buddy.
Do you want to be on the vlog? And he's off. Alright, so the next step is applying the Adams polish. This is their surface prep. So I'm going to be applying this with their single soft polishing towel. That's how it says to apply it. I'm going to do this to all 4 wheels, front and back. And then we're going to move on to the next step, which I'm not sure what that is yet because I have to continue reading through the directions, but we're going to get this step done first. Alright, so the next step is to actually apply the supplied wheel coating. So you're going to do it with the microfiber applicator that they give you. It wants you to put several drops on the applicator and then spread evenly along the wheel surface. We're gonna coat the wheel surface and then we're gonna remove. These instructions say 15 to 30 seconds later. People online say they wait up to about a minute. So I'll probably split the difference and see what happens. I'm just gonna do a section of the wheel at a time, moving from probably the back of the wheels, the back of the spokes, and then I'll flip the wheel over and do the front. I'll do one wheel to show you how I do it, and then I will do the rest of the three probably off camera. So this is the next step. Completed our first wheel, so I've got to do this 3 more times. I'm actually gonna move shop into the garage, turn on the lights so I can have a better picture of what's going on. So I'm gonna finish that process, move everything in there, and I'll catch up with you guys then. Not before I apply the cap. Oh. Alrighty, well that took some time. So I have spent probably about 5 to 6 hours cleaning, clay barring, polishing, which I probably did a horrible job, and ceramic prepping the wheels, and then putting the coating on the wheels. So these have to sit and cure for about 24 hours. Show you what they look like. I think they came out pretty good. Very glossy. Very clean. Very glossy. Did the fronts and the backs of these. So tomorrow around this time I will put the ceramic boost on, and then we will set them aside for later this week when hopefully we can get them installed. So I'll catch you guys later and we'll talk about these tomorrow. Alright guys, it's been about 24 hours since these have cured, so I'm gonna get ready to hit them with the ceramic boost right now, front and back. They are looking very shiny and very glossy. So I'm happy with it. Very, very happy. With them. So I'm gonna hit them with the ceramic boost right now, wrap this video up, and then hopefully we'll have them on for the next video. So this is what we're using, ceramic boost, Adams ceramic boost. So generously spray Adams ceramic boost over the ceramic coated area using Adams premium microfiber double soft towel, buff off Adams ceramic boost. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I'm going to wrap up this video right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from me ceramic coating these wheels. maybe the process. I'm not a ceramic pro guru. I'm just going off of the instructions that I got, a couple of YouTube videos that I watched, and just flying off the cuff of my pants here. So anyways, I think they came out pretty good. I'm really looking forward to get these wheels on the truck. I'm gonna try to get that done this week, guys. So hopefully the video after this one, they'll be on. So want to get them out in the sun, see how they shine. We'll do a little water test, maybe spray or run some water around the lip. Hopefully it could just bead off and come off real smooth. That'll let me know if I did a good job or not. Before I get these mounted, or the video when I'm getting these mounted, I will give you actual measurements for the wheels and tires. A lot of people ask, and I did the exact same thing when I was buying wheels and tires. Well, is a 35-inch wheel exactly 35 inches? Is a 22 really 22? Is it a 12.5 wide? Does it measure 12? Does it measure 13 3/4? 12 3/4. I will give you the accurate measurements for my setup, so that if you guys don't have to go through what I went through when I came down to trying to figure out wheels and tires. So, and if they'll fit. We'll do a fitment video as well, because that's very important. I searched high and low, and other than watching Custom Offsets TV, where I got the wheels, there wasn't really any personal YouTubers out there showing me how 22 by 12 on 35s fit on a Cognito 4 to 6 inch lift set at dead level 5.5. So if you're looking for that exact setup, you'll see what I went through to get it working for you. So it's late, I'm tired. Before I ceramic boosted these wheels, I was working at the flip house again, was trimming window jambs and trimming out the windows. So primary job today, secondary job today, YouTube as a hobby tonight. I'm exhausted. So hope you liked it, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. As summer's coming around the corner, as we get the wheels on, we're gonna get a lot of content. And I'm gonna wrap this video. Oh, one thing I wanted to ask you guys, people that are a lot smarter than me. I took my tip off. This is Flow Pro 5 to 6 inch tip. I took it off because I want to clean it up. So if you guys remember this, the video that I put out when I launched this, when I did the tuning, this tip was on. That was at the end of January, first week of February. It's now the middle of April. This is 2 months old. It's gone to hell. It's absolutely horrible. The finish is tarnished. This is chrome plated. So what I'm really looking to do is let me know what you guys do to clean up your exhaust tips. I do have a brand new 5 to 7 inch from Flow Pro that they sent me, but I really want to try to get this chrome shining again and throw this back on. I really enjoyed a 5 to 6 inch tip. So this is off for now until I figure out how I'm going to clean this, and we'll do this in another video. I'll show you. Maybe I'll take some of your guys' suggestions and see how it turns out. So with that being said, this is going to wrap up this video. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you all. I appreciate it. And with that being said, have a great day.